Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I want to teach y'all how to get longer, volumized, thicker lashes, and having eyelashes that you get compliments on, and always people asking, oh my god, do you have fake eyelashes on, or are they real? Because this is definitely what works for me and has definitely got me many compliments. Oh my god, are your eyelashes real? And saying no and having them in complete shock. It's kind of a fun thing to do, so I wanted to share these tips and tricks with y'all. So definitely stay tuned if you guys want to learn how to get more of a fake eyelash effect on your real eyelashes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have a eyelash curler. I feel like not a lot of people use these anymore. And then I always like having a palette to look into, so just like really close up. Just a suggestion, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can do whatever you feel comfortable with, but that's just kind of what I like to do. So for that, I get my eyelash curler and I put my eyelashes through. Get as close to the lid as you can. Try not to pinch the skin, but as close as you can so they can get more curled. And you just want to hold it for a little bit. So I also want to say is my eyelashes are kind of already long as it is, but this kind of can help you get more of a volume thickening effect. So if you really, my dog just jumped on the couch back there, but if you guys already have short kind of lashes, this won't make you all of a sudden have longer lashes. It'll just help give more of effect to your lashes than usual. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's kind of a disclaimer. Next, I like to put eyeliner on. It's just kind of how I do things. It makes it look more thicker. So you don't always have to put it on the bottom line. I just like to do that. So I'm using the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus in Black Onyx. This has always been my favorite. It stays on and is really dark and it's drugstore. So this is always the hard part. And then for the top lashes, my phone's vibrating. I kind of pull it up. This is gonna be hard. And go underneath. So after that, I'm gonna do two different eyes just to show you kind of a difference. If you want to put liquid eyeliner on, I suggest doing it before you do your lashes. Just makes things so when you're not like trying to ruin your lashes, it just is so much easier. For that, I'm gonna put my liquid liner on. Okay, so this one will have the liquid liner on and then this one won't. So the three mascaras I have are all drugstore. I really like them. They all work really well. It kind of depends on the day when I want to use them. So the first one has been my favorite for a very, very long time, and that is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This has been a go-to forever. It's always amazing to have. They have a waterproof one. You can get that one as well. Then recently my new favorite one is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is in black as well. I always get the ones that are really black. My mom loves this one too. It's just so, it is literally worth the hype. And then finally, this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is by, I believe, L'Oreal as well. This one's the waterproof, but this is like the dupe to Better Than Sex, and I think I like it a little bit more than Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I haven't used Better Than Sex in a while, but maybe it's because I always kind of go to these. So today I kind of just want to, I use a mix more of the Voluminous L'Oreal Carbon Black one and the Worth the Hype. So this is the brush for the Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, and then this is the brush for the Worth the Hype by NYX. This one's out, so I'm not going to be using it today, but this is the Lash Paradise Voluminous mascara. But as you can see, they're all kind of really small, but they're very bulky at the same time kind of brushes. Okay, so now on to actually doing the lashes. So what I do is I work at the bottom of my lashes and kind of blink into it and swipe up. And don't forget to get the outer corner of your lashes. I used to never do that. And same with the inner corner. And then one thing I don't see people doing ever, I don't know if they just cut it out, but my biggest pet peeve is when they don't do the back of their lashes. And I have blonde lashes, therefore, if you look down, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's like blonde, so you can see it still. And it always helps scooping down to the back of your mascara or lashes with your mascara as well. And be very careful when you do this as well, but and then go back up. And pretty much that is really it. I will zoom in later showing you the difference with the mascaras, but you kind of just mess with it until you like how it looks. I kind of only go in once. I will show you in once, like one coat of mascara, just so you can see. And then I'm going in and doing the bottom lashes. So that is one lash completed with one coat of mascara. I'll zoom in a second. And then on the next side, I am going to do the NYX Worth the Hype. So you pretty much go with the same way. Obviously, I'm going to show you the same. The bottom. And as you can see, I got a dot, and I'll show you actually how to get that gone and not ruin your makeup. So I already kind of like this side better. It's just kind of how I like this mascara, but I like both mascaras a lot. I just feel like this one gives it a little bit more volume, and then I'm just going to go on the bottom like I did before. And that is that one completed. I'll zoom in and show you guys both sides. So this is the side for Worth the Hype and no eyeliner. So you can see how long and voluminous they are. You kind of really don't need the fake lashes. And then this side, I feel like lighting really sucks right now. But this is the side for Voluminous Carbon Black by L'Oreal. And then with the eyeliner. So that is pretty much what you can do to get your very thick black long eyelashes. I always get compliments on my lashes like, oh my god, do you have fake lashes? And I'm like, no, but this is how you can achieve fake lashes with your normal lashes. Like I said before, I already have long lashes as it is. So I kind of have a more step, but if you follow these steps, you can get more thicker lashes and hopefully they look a little bit longer and better. But this is really how you can achieve more of the thick, longer lashes. It all depends on your eyelash type already. That's actually how you would say that, but Yeah, so now pretty much I gotta wait for this to dry so I can get it flaked off and not ruin my makeup. I couldn't think of the name. And I'll be back after this dries. I'll probably have lipstick on and have my hair down and everything, but let me be back in a second for you guys and we'll get this guy going, and that will probably be the end of this video. Okay, so I think it should be dry by now. So what you want is a Q-tip and then just kind of flake it off. Sometimes it does actually take off your mask, your whatever it's called, your makeup. Sadly, it's just kind of how it is, because now you can see that. But really what I like to do is kind of get my powder brush and blend my makeup right here. And then put my highlight back on, and usually it just works because I don't have enough makeup right there to like take off, that it's not like I can build it back up, not build it back up. So pretty much let's just add a little bit more highlight right here because I feel like it. But anyways, that's pretty much it on how to get like longer lashes. I probably look really crazy having two different ones. I honestly have liked the no eyeliner look a lot lately. Just kind of something I've been enjoying. I don't know, it looks better. My eyes look a little bit more opened. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried these tricks or do this already. I really want to know if this works out for y'all. It has worked for me for years. I've just done it forever. And I always just get compliments on my eyelashes asking if they're fake, like I said before. So I wanted to share this with y'all. So yeah, definitely let me know if you guys have tried these or are gonna try them and if they work for you. But yeah, I think that's really it for this video today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop.